mo, yung sasabi ko, yung mga gano'n, yung uso na mo. Tapos ako din eh. Yung naman, hindi pa rin kayo pag gumagano.
Louder! Kiss ah. Kiss Ate Bea.
Kiss me down by the broken tree house with me upon the hanging turban. Bring your flower touch. We'll take a trail mark on your father's hand. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out the moonlit door. Lift your open hands. Strike up the band and make the fireflies dance and silver moon sparkling. So kiss me.
Happy birthday, Ate Bea. Happy birthday, Ate Bea. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Kiss me beneath the melody twilight. Lead me out the moonlit door. Lift your open hands. Strike up the band and make the fireflies dance and silver moon sparkling.
Pinakabili yung presentation.
Choice na
Pag nakapasa si Bea sa UP, yung sasakay mo, ganun lang eh, malapit sa rin. Ano ba siya sa
So kiss me.
Pero nag-fill out na kayo ng
So kiss me.
Bakit naman din ganun? Kaya kasi yung iba, pag hindi nakapasok ng pilihan, nilagay mo
So
tawag
kiss me.
parang
Kiss Ate Bea.
kasi iba na naman yung mga last babalik sa
So kiss me.
God bless. Kiss Ate Bea.
In your day, right?
Kiss Ate. Then, God bless Ate.
Bless and have a good day.
Thank you, Richie, for the cute performance. So next, mas